Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a pantry refresh for you, I guess. If you can hear my dishwasher, I apologize, but you know, gotta keep the household moving. So this is what it looks like right now. And I do live alone, but I'm extremely busy with work. Mochi says hi. And as you can tell, things are kind of thrown everywhere. I haven't had a real chance to come in here and do any true organizing, so that's really the purpose of this video. I thought I would take you guys along with me. And, you know, I think everybody gets bitten by the organization bug around this time, at least I do. So, that being said, I'm going to start from the very top and then just kind of work my way all the way down. So if you're new here, I do have some previous like pantry organization videos, but to give you the most basic rundown, up here is where I have stuff for like drinks and spices, like extra spices, also oils and condiments. Right here is supposed to be for salty snacks. You can tell though there's some mayo and salsa that have infiltrated that spot. This section right here is supposed to be for sweet snacks, and I have oatmeal there and soy sauce. And then right here, this is really meant for like breakfast and lunch type stuff. Also things like pasta, you know, that sort of thing. And then down here is pretty much dedicated solely to my baking stuff. I do love to bake. And I also have some popsicles down there too that are obviously not frozen. So that's just a very basic rundown, but I'm going to get started. First things first though, I did finally replaced my light in here, and I think I got this at Home Depot or Lowe's a couple years ago, but it's called the Overlight, and it just uses AA batteries, but it's been a while because I don't have like an actual hardwired light in here, so I'm just kind of making do. But anyways, I'm going to get started. All right, guys. So I am done. Now, I didn't really rearrange a whole lot in here. As you can tell, I just kind of shifted some stuff over, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'm not gonna go over how I have everything organized because, again, I have plenty of videos on that already. But basically, this is like for condiments, oils, and spices. And then this is like all for drink stuff, minus the soy sauce. I did put my whey protein back there because I'm not really using it right now. This is all salty snacks. This is like sweet snacks / bread and tortillas. There we go. Oatmeal, because I'm using that a lot right now along with the peanut butter. And then I have my medications right there and supplements. And then this is honestly the same. I just kind of brushed it up a little bit. My potatoes in the back are still good, so I left those in there. And this down here stays pretty organized. I mean, I don't really mess around with it too much aside from when I'm baking, and it all goes back in. So anyways, this took me, I want to say maybe like 10 minutes max, but yeah, I'm very happy with how it turned out. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye, guys.